Welcome to Fan Filter Unit Factory, where we produce high-quality fan filter units for various applications. In this video, we will show you our fan filter unit with HEPA filter, size 300-300. A fan filter unit, or FFU, is a type of motorized air filtering equipment. It is used to supply purified air to clean rooms, laboratories, medical facilities, or microenvironments by removing harmful airborne particles from recirculating air. The housing is made of durable and lightweight materials, such as aluminum or stainless steel. It has a smooth surface that prevents dust accumulation and facilitates cleaning. The housing also has an aerosol injection port for easy filter testing. Our fan filter unit is easy to install and maintain. It can be mounted on the ceiling or floor grid of the clean room, or suspended from the ceiling by brackets or chains. The filter can be replaced from the benchtop or room side, depending on the model. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in our fan filter unit products, please visit our website or contact us for more information.